For decades, if you wanted a luxury sedan, you looked to Germany. Mercedes, BMW, Audi, they were the undisputed kings. But what if I told you that in 2026, the game is completely changing? The luxury car world is being turned upside down, and the challenge is coming from an unexpected place: China. Today, we're looking at 5 Chinese sedans that are not just competing with the German titans. They're redefining what luxury even means. Get ready, because what you're about to see might just end the luxury car game as we know it. First up, the Zeekr 001. Now, technically it's a shooting brake, but it competes directly with sedans like the Panamera. And let me tell you, it's a beast. With its dual-motor setup, it rockets from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds, but it's not just about speed. Inside, you're greeted with a massive 15.4-inch touchscreen, Nappa leather, and an air suspension system that glides over bumps. Zeekr has packed this car with so much technology and premium materials that you'd expect a 6-figure price tag. But it's not even close. This is premium performance and luxury for a fraction of the cost, and it's making established brands very, very nervous. Next, let's talk about the NIO ET7. NIO is known for its battery swapping technology, which is a game changer on its own. Which feels like you have a personal butler on board? And it's smarter than almost anything else on the road. But beyond the spaceship looks, the Hi-Fi Z has serious substance. It features a robotic arm that moves the central screen to face either the driver or the passenger. The build quality is phenomenal. BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is a battery giant that decided to build cars, and they are taking over. The Han is their flagship sedan, and it's a direct shot at the Tesla Model S and Mercedes E-Class. What makes it so special? The Blade battery. It's one of the safest and most durable EV batteries ever made. They are setting new standards. They offer incredible technology, bold designs, and levels of luxury that challenge and, in some cases, surpass their European rivals, all while offering incredible value. The old guard of luxury is officially on notice. The game has changed, and it's never going back. What do you think? Let me know in the comments which one of these you drive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more on the future of cars.